You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech insights. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This Atomic DEX wallet review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Atomic DEX is a compelling decentralized exchange, DEX, and wallet solution, seamlessly blending secure cryptocurrency storage with convenient trading capabilities within a single, user-friendly application. Designed with user autonomy in mind, Atomic DEX empowers users to maintain complete control over their digital assets by retaining custody of their private keys, all while enjoying the flexibility and decentralization of a peer-to-peer exchange. If security and independence are paramount in your crypto management strategy, this wallet might be an ideal choice. A standout feature of Atomic DEX is its integrated decentralized exchange. Unlike centralized exchanges that necessitate trust in a third-party intermediary, Atomic DEX facilitates direct peer-to-peer trading, safeguarding your funds throughout the entire process. The platform supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, encompassing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and numerous ERC-20 tokens. The capability to execute cross-chain trades directly, without reliance on a centralized exchange, offers significant advantages for users who prioritize privacy and security. Atomic DEX's multi-currency support is another compelling aspect. This feature makes the wallet particularly well-suited for individuals managing diverse crypto portfolios, allowing them to store and manage a variety of digital assets within a unified interface. Furthermore, the integrated exchange functionality eliminates the need to transfer assets to an external exchange for trading purposes, saving both time and transaction fees. Security is a top priority for Atomic DEX. Employing end-to-end encryption and adhering to a non-custodial model, the wallet ensures that your private keys reside exclusively on your device, granting you unwavering control over your funds. Two-factor authentication is also available, adding an extra layer of protection. The wallet is designed for ease of use and navigation, catering to both beginners and experienced users alike. Advanced features like atomic swaps, which enable trustless cross-chain trades, provide seasoned crypto users with enhanced control and flexibility. Atomic DEX is particularly appealing to experienced crypto enthusiasts seeking a secure, decentralized wallet with integrated trading functionalities, or anyone seeking greater autonomy in managing their digital assets. In summary, Atomic DEX presents a robust, feature-rich wallet solution that effectively combines security, decentralization, and seamless trading within a single, integrated platform. This makes Atomic DEX an excellent option for individuals committed to secure and efficient management of their cryptocurrency portfolio.